Hi, it's Laura Lynn of Teddies by Laura Lynn and Teddy Bear Academy. This is Cherry Cordial. He was made using my Rocco pattern, and I named him Cherry Cordial because his fur reminded me of chocolate covered cherries. You can see it's got a rose tint to it, and the backing of the fur is a dark chocolate covered. So I thought he was perfect for Valentine's Day. You can make your own Cherry Cordial. He's only 4 inches tall and he's fully jointed. You can make your own Cherry Cordial with my kit. The Cherry Cordial kit comes complete with his mohair. This is a rose tinted mohair with a chocolate backing. Comes with the paw pad fabric for the foot pads. He does not have paw pads, but he does have foot pads, and it's a nice chocolate covered color. His glass eyes, pearl cotton for his nose and mouth, and the eye floss for closing his neck and inserting his eyes. It has the little miniature T-cotter pins and all of the discs you need to joint his limbs and his neck. And of course, it also comes with the pattern and a complete set of directions. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me, and I hope you enjoy making your own little Cherry Cordial.